Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy at your homes. I am your teacher, Miss Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. So, my dear students, as you all remember that we are on unit number 11 and today is its third lesson. And what is the name of your unit? Quickly tell me. My body. My body. And as you all know, before moving on towards our main lesson, we always refresh our knowledge that what we did in the previous lessons. So we discussed about our body and its parts. Hair, eyes, nose, mouth. Quickly repeat after me. Hair, eyes, nose, mouth, ear, hands, fingers, leg and foot. So these are some of your body parts. So our body is divided into different parts and we name them. Now quickly tell me how body parts help you daily basis. On daily basis. Sorry, here on will come. On daily basis. Quickly tell me कि आपको daily life में आपके body parts कैसे help out करते हैं. When you lift up something, when you are playing, when you are going to school, and when you are eating something, you are playing around, you're playing football. So your body parts help you like this. You bend your leg when you are walking, you move your hands and your fingers, you use them when you are writing, you use your mouth when you are eating. So these are different workings and different functions of our body parts. Very nice. Okay, students, now before moving on towards our main lesson, let's quickly do an activity. So, my dear students, I have a few things here. Can you tell me what is this? Nice. This is a perfume and it smelled very nice. Can you tell me how did I smell it? That it's nice and the fragrance is very good. मुझे कैसे पता चला कि इसमें से खुशबू आई है? Because of my sense of smell. मुझे अपनी sense of smell की वजह से पता चला कि इसमें से बहुत अच्छी खुशबू आई है. Now, I have a glass of water, but it's not simple water. Let me drink it. It's salty. So how did I feel that it's salty? Yes, from my sense of taste. Sense of taste told me that the water is salty. Now, in this glass, I have few ice cubes here. See? And when I touch it, it's cold. How it feels? It feels cold. So, why I'm feeling it cold? What is telling me that the glass and the ice is cold? My sense of, no, not my hands, my sense of touch. My sense of touch told me that the glass is cold. Okay, now I have another thing here for you. Can you see the light from my mobile? It's coming out from my mobile. How can you see it? Sense of sight. Your sense of sight tells you that the light, that it's light or it's dark. जो भी चीज़ है, ब्राइट है बहुत ज़्यादा, कम ब्राइट है, बहुत डार्क है, बहुत लाइट है, कौन सा कलर है, ग्रीन है, ब्लू है, ये हमें कैसे पता चलता है? फ्रॉम आवर सेंस ऑफ साइट. हमें अपनी सेंस ऑफ साइट से पता. नाउ अनदर थिंग, आई विल डू इट अगेन इट फ्रॉम माई मोबाइल. ओके. कैन यू हियर अ सॉन्ग? सो हाउ डिड यू हियर इट? आपको कैसे सुनाई दिया कि कोई गाना चल रहा है, कोई म्यूजिक चल रहा है? How did you hear it? Sense of hearing. Sense of hearing told you that a sound is coming on. You hear your teacher, you hear birds. आप गाना सुनते हैं, टेलीविजन देखते हैं, कार्टून्स देखते हैं. वो देखते हुए आपको उनकी आवाज़ें आती हैं. डॉग की बार्किंग की आवाज़ आती है आपको. तो ये आवाज़ें आपको कैसे फील होती हैं? Of sense of hearing. आप इनको कैसे सुनते हैं? Sense of hearing. So I told you 5 senses today. First one was sense of smell. I smell the perfume. I know you cannot smell it, but you can spray the perfume in the room and then you can smell it. And which Which sense tell you the smell? Sense of smell. Then how can you see the light? Sense of sight. Which sense tells you about that it is cold or hot? Sense of touch. Then which sense tells you that the music is coming or you can hear something? Because of sense of hearing. And how can you tell that your food is salty, sweet, it is yummy? How can you tell that? Because of sense of taste. Very good. So these are a few senses that you can see on your screen. He is looking because of sense of sight. He can touch because of sense of touch. He can hear because of sense of hearing. Very good. And smell because of sense of smell. And then he can taste an ice cream because he has sense of taste. So my dear students, today's student learning outcome given on page number 1 for the parents and the teachers to understand that by the end of today's lesson, all the students will be able to name 5 senses. They will be able to name 5 senses. Before this, we have already read about different body parts and their functions. But today, the students will be able to tell their 5 senses. Okay, for that, let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective. It is He who has made you and made for you hearing and vision and hearts. Little are you grateful. So my dear students, अल्लाह ताला कुरान पाक में आपको बता रहे हैं कि उन्होंने आपकी सेंस ऑफ हेयरिंग बनाई है, आपका विजन, योर सेंस ऑफ साइट बनाई है. इसके अलावा उन्होंने आपका दिल बनाया है. लेकिन हम बहुत कम शुक्र अदा करते हैं अल्लाह ताला का. देखिए अल्लाह ताला खुद बता रहे हैं हमें, तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए. हमने पहले भी ये इस्लामिक पर्सपेक्टिव डिस्कस किया था कि हमें जितनी भी चीज़ें अल्लाह ताला ने दी हैं, वी मस्ट बी थैंकफुल टू अल्लाह ताला फॉर ऑल द ब्लेसिंग्स दैट वी हैव. वेरी गुड. बी थैंकफुल टू अल्लाह ताला. डेली जब आप रात को सोते हैं तो अल्लाह ताला का शुक्रिया अदा किया करें अपनी तमाम चीज़ों के लिए. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, the page, your reading page that we will cover today is given on page number 83. Pause the video and open page number 83. I hope everybody has opened page number 83. So we have covered this part. Today we will start the senses. Let me erase this part. The lines that I have drew. Okay, there you go. Okay, my dear students. So I told the 5 sentences that we did in the activity. Now let's read about it. Quickly put your fingers where I'm reading. Senses. What is this word? Senses. We have 5 senses. Senses help us to learn about things and around us. Senses help us to learn about things around us. Each sense belongs to a body part. Each sense belongs to a body part. Okay, quickly, again read it with me. We have 5 senses. Senses help us to learn about things around us. Each sense belongs to a body part. So my हमारी जो senses हैं, हमारी कितनी senses हैं? We have 5 senses. Excellent. Now, what these senses do? ये हमें हमारे इर्द गिर्द की चीज़ों के बारे में बताती हैं. The things around us. हमारे इर्द गिर्द की चीज़ों के बारे में ये 5 सेंसेस हमें बताती हैं. और ये सेंसेस जो हैं ये हमारे बॉडी पार्ट्स के साथ कनेक्टेड होती हैं. ठीक है, तो आपके डिफरेंट बॉडी पार्ट्स जो हैं उनकी डिफरेंट सेंसेस होती हैं. राइट नाउ वी आर ओनली डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द 5 सेंसेस. क्विकली रिपीट आफ्टर मी. सेंस ऑफ स्मेल. से इट. सेंस ऑफ स्मेल. सेंस ऑफ साइट. Sense of hearing, sense of taste, sense of touch. Smell, sight, hearing, touch and taste. These are the 5 senses. Very good. Okay, my dear students, let's do the practice page now. For that, you have to open page number 93. Quickly pause the video and open page number 93 in your book. I hope everybody has opened page number 93. Here we will do the picture reading. Yes, this is your picture reading. Quickly look at the pictures and which sense belongs to the picture. Okay? Now look at the first picture. Some smelly socks. So how can he tell that the smell is bad? Because of sense of smell. You have to write the name of the sense over here. Okay, the next one. The boy is eating the food and he tastes it. So which sense will come here? Sense of. Very good. Now the teacher is showing a picture to the students. So how can they see the picture? Because of their sense of sight. Very good. And now in the next picture you can see the boy is listening to some music. So how can he listen? What is helping him? Which sense? Tell the name of the sense. Sense of hearing. Excellent. So you have to pause the video and you have to complete the page. I hope everybody has finished the page. So if you want to recheck what you have done, your spelling mistakes and anything, you can go to your teacher or you can check it from me. Taste, sight, and the last one is hearing. My dear students, now let's move forward and I will evaluate you by asking a few questions. Quickly tell me which sense told you there is light in the room. Which sense told you there is light in the room? Sense of, name the sense. Sense of sight. Excellent. Now tell me which sense told you your food was salty. कैसे पता चला कि खाना जो है वो कुछ नमकीन है? It is salty. Sense of taste. Excellent. Okay, now tell me which sense told you somebody sprayed perfume in the room. So, tell me sense of smell. Excellent. Now, there is ice in the glass. It felt cold. Which sense told you that it was cold? You touch it. So, the sense of touch. Very good. Okay, how can you tell the dog is barking? How can you tell that? How can you tell that the dog is barking? Yes, sense of hearing told you that the dog is barking. Very good. Okay, my dear students, now please quickly pause the video and open page number 83 in your books. Here is an home activity number 3 given. This page, quickly look at that. How do you learn about things around you? Write in your notebook. So my dear students, this is your homework and what you need to do is you will do it at your homes. और आपने क्या करना है कि आपने इर्द गिर्द देखना है और कैसे आपको जो है वो इर्द गिर्द की चीज़ों के बारे में पता चलता है. So you have to write the name of your senses in your notebook because your senses tells you about the things around you and you have to write the names of your 5 senses in your notebook. You have to finish it at your home. Now let's quickly move forward. So these are the 5 senses given here. Okay, what have I learned today? I have 5 senses: sense of touch, sense of taste, sense of hearing, sense of smell, and sense of sight. So these are 5 senses, okay? Now let's wrap up the lesson and name the 5 senses that you have. Name your 5 senses quickly. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So these are your 5 senses: touch, sight, hearing, taste, and smell. Touch, sight, hearing, taste, and smell are your 5 senses. So my dear student, I hope you have enjoyed the lesson and now you are able to tell about your 5 senses. My dear students, keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.